Well, I wanted to come to you and remind you of something that you really want to try for Thanksgiving, and that is a video I put up last year, which is my wife's Thanksgiving ham. People come from everywhere. People won't miss it. Everybody calls, "Are you having your ham?" Okay, I'll be there. It's that good. It's actually not a ham. It is a pork shoulder. It is a pork shoulder. I give all that in the recipe and in the video. I'm going to link to the two videos that I'm talking about. One of them is that ham. It's a pork shoulder, and the other is a pie that I made. So whether you're taking your product over to someone else's house or whether people are coming to your house, if you're looking to impress your mother-in-law, if you're looking to impress your friends, your neighbors, or your husband, or whatever, that ham will absolutely do it. There's still time to find it, and it's maybe not an easy thing to find. I don't know about your area. Sometimes my wife, I have to go to a couple of stores to find it. But Walmart has had it in the past. Walmart's meat market has had it in the past. You can always call and find out. I'll give you exactly what to say, what to ask for in the video, and I'll do all that under this video also. The second thing is a lemon pie. I put up two different recipes of a lemon pie. It's the same pie, but one of them has got an extra ingredient. The first one I put up and everybody loved. They said, "Man, this is great." And then somebody wrote, one of my viewers wrote and said, "You ought to put such and such." I make this pie too, but I put an extra ingredient in it. So I've tried it, and he was, I don't remember who it was, and I'm sorry, but they were absolutely right. It is the bomb with this extra ingredient in it. So I'm going to put up the pie recipe with the extra ingredient in it, which is Philadelphia cream cheese. And so if you're looking for a great pie to carry somewhere, to serve to your people if coming over your house, whatever, this is easy. I mean, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that to make. Not hard at all. Obviously, if you make it in 10 minutes, it's not hard at all. And the ham has to be basted at night. There's a little bit more to it, but I've got a video. The video tells all about the ham, how to make it, and goes step by step, exactly what ham to buy, or the pork shoulder rather, to buy. And I've got a picture of the label on it and everything. So hopefully you'll be able to find one. But if you're looking for something that is absolutely going to make people say, "What in the world have you done here?" This is it. So I just want to remind you of it while there's still time. You got 2-3 days before Thanksgiving. Time to do this. Time to find these products. Easy to find. The pie recipe, the ham recipe, I don't know. It just depends on where you are. And again, it's not honey glazed. It's not the spiral cut. It's not anything like that. It's something completely different. But it will knock your socks off, and it will knock the socks off. Anybody comes to your house, you might have to smell their feet because their socks coming off. All right. I just wanted to remind you that. But if I don't get back with you before Thanksgiving, I just wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving and a wonderful time with your friends and family. Thanksgiving is mainly an American holiday, so I don't know whether everybody else, my viewers around the world, are gonna know what we're talking about. But we've got so much to be thankful for here. And I just want to wish y'all a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. Appreciate you guys. We are grateful to the Lord for all He's done for us, and all He's done for you too, because y'all give me testimonies and tell me what the Lord's done for y'all too, and I appreciate that. We want you to keep them coming. So make the pie, make the ham. You will absolutely be the hit of your gathering. I appreciate it. We'll go.